Find features that distinguish it from other brands for AVAPOW AV-D600, 4 systems, OBD2 Scanner, Diagnostic Tool, Car Code Reader. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 4 systems Diagnostics OBD2 Scanner. More than a standard check engine code reader, this OBD2 Scanner diagnostic tool covers engine, transmission, SRS, airbag, and ABS, anti-lock brakes, detecting 90% plus vehicle faults that basic OBD scanners miss. It's a professional car diagnostic scanner designed for both DIYers and small repair shops, saving you trips to expensive mechanics. 3 essential reset functions for home maintenance. Built-in oil reset, EPB reset, and battery match. This car scanner diagnostic tool lets you complete maintenance tasks at home, clear oil change reminders, reset electronic parking brakes after pad replacement, and calibrate new batteries. Compatibility with 1996 plus cars and small trucks. As a code reader for cars and small trucks, it supports 9 OBD2 protocols: SAEJ1850PWM, SAEJ1850VPW, IS091412, IS014230-4KWP, IS015765-4CAN and more, compatible with most of 1996 plus gasoline vehicles and small trucks. Auto VIN automatically identifies your vehicle, making it the easiest vehicle code reader for beginners to use right out of the box. 14 basic diagnostic features for all scenarios. This car code reader includes read/clear DTCs, live data graphs, I/M readiness status, freeze frame data, battery test, and oxygen sensor monitoring, everything you need for smog test prep, used car inspections, and daily fault checks. It's not just an engine code reader, also a complete diagnostic scanner for all vehicles. Lifetime Wi-Fi updates for ongoing compatibility. Unlike outdated OBD2 scanners that require paid subscriptions, this OBD2 scanner offers lifetime Wi-Fi updates. Get the latest DTC library, 100000 plus codes, and new vehicle coverage quarterly. No computer needed, connect to Wi-Fi directly, and your car reader diagnostic stays compatible with new models for years. AVAPOW exclusive ergonomic handle. Unlike most car scanners without grips, this tool features a non-slip ergonomic handle, designed for easy one-handed holding during long diagnostic sessions. The curved grip reduces hand fatigue, and the sturdy design makes it easy to carry or store in your glove box. Perfect for both quick checks and detailed repairs, a game changer for user-friendly operation. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.